Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So here I made one of my favorite vegetable dish from Bali called Jukut Cantok. This is vegetables mixed with the peanut sauce. For the vegetables, I'm using bean sprout, cabbage, snack bean, and morning glory. You also can add spinach if you wish to. So first, I blanch all the vegetables, then cool it down, and ready to prepare the peanut sauce. First, I fried little bit chilies and garlic, then add into mortar and pestle. Add black, sweet shrimp paste or patis, then add fermented soybean paste or tauco, and palm sugar and salt. Grind smoothly. Add roasted peanut or deep fried peanut. Then add water little by little until the consistency quite thick but not too runny. Then add kaffir lime fruit juice and sweet soy sauce. Mix well. Then add all the vegetables. Mix well. Absolutely mouth-watering. You can serve on its own or you can eat with rice. Happy cooking, matur suksema!